So how many people can attest to this that are parents? You go to start a new fitness routine or a new schedule, and for some reason your kids get sick. It happens so many times. I have no idea why you're tested like this, but anyway, so today was my first day back to the gym after 8 weeks off, and yeah, I took it really easy. I was testing my strength mainly, overall for every single body part. So, you know, I started off with 5-pound dumbbells to see how my movements were with my chest. Same thing with my shoulder. I was, didn't want to do anything too heavy quickly because, with your shoulder, rotator can pop out, something with your inside your neck. So I started off with biceps, and everything was super, super high rep, 20 to 25 reps each. And I did 4 sets of this. So I started off with bicep curls, just dumbbell curls. Oh, let me first tell you, I had 5-pound and 10-pound dumbbells, a bench, and a cable machine right beside me. Okay, so I started with my biceps, right away into shoulder press, both probably 25 each. After the shoulder press, I did bent over rows, again 25, maybe even 30 there. My back's always been my strongest point, and I was probably doing 55, 60s before my injury, but I don't want to go right back there because I know I can do it. I know I can build up to it, but right now I could have really hurt myself. So super low again there. So after the rows, I did tricep pull downs and push downs on the cable, and then I took the cable and attached it to my ankle and did side lunge to squat, 25 of those, and then right away for each leg, as you do it, you go into glute kickbacks. So yeah, that was today's workout. I just really tested my strength. I know I'm going to be sore. I've been stretching, drinking my BCAAs, glutamine, just and a really high protein diet today to make sure that I'm not too sore tomorrow. But yeah, that's how you get gains, and going back into the gym can be scary, like it was for me this morning. But as soon as you get back in, it's no one's watching you. Everyone's there doing their own thing. So yeah, that's it, guys. That was day 1 back. So other than that, the kids are both on antibiotics and should be recovering. But now they'll be home for 2 days at least from school. So figure out when I can get to the gym, but my husband's amazing, and we always figure it out that we can both get to the gym every day. Love you guys. Bye. How many moms out there agree with me on this? The day that you start a new fitness routine, your kids get super sick, right? So my son has been fighting strep throat, and pink eye, and my daughter has strep throat. So yeah, it's been one of those days. I'm living on protein shakes.